just want to give you a recap on the direction of your ceiling fan as the season changes. If your fan is spinning, but it's not blowing any air, then it's most likely going in the wrong direction. If you see that it is running real slower than you think, than you thought it would, that's most likely your capacitor. Most likely your capacitor is starting to wear off. So as I mentioned in my other video, for traditional ceiling fans, the reverse switch is located on the switch housing. It also lets you know which pole chain is the fan switch and which pole chain is the light switch. Let's say, for example, Hampton Bay Littleton. I'll give you some time to think about that. So, as you can see, this reverse switch will act as your eco mode if you want to cut your heating bills in half or over half. And then summer mode, winter, summer, winter, summer, up for winter, down for summer, up for winter, down for summer. I'll demonstrate that so that you know what I'm doing. Okay, so tell me if you just saw that going and starting up in reverse. Tell me if you just saw that going in the opposite direction. That's because the reverse switch is up. Now down, it should go counterclockwise with reverse switch down. Because if not, then your reverse switch was most likely wired wrong. You could also adjust the speeds in reverse.